Today, we are gonna be filling this 100-gallon aquarium full of fish. We're gonna be meeting my friend Gingerbread Nick over at a fish wholesaler, and we're gonna be picking out a ton of fish to stock this aquarium. This tank has been pretty much empty for a while. It's come to the point now where I really want to fill it. We're gonna be just filling it up today with tons of cool little colorful nano fish. All the plants have like grown in. As you can see, everything's going crazy. The plants are growing crazy over here. It's basically turned into like a massive jungle. The Christmas moss is insane. I need to get rid of some of this, so I'm actually gonna be taking Nick some. Look at this enormous clump of Christmas moss. Whoa! That would be a nice little wig. Like that, put it in the bag. And this is a little gift for Nick.
What's up, dude? Merry Christmas, moss.
Looks like a drug deal.
Don't distribute it all to one person. Make sure you cut it up into little quantities. You'll make more money that way. So we're here at a fish wholesaler. Look how many fish there are, guys. This is the perfect place because there's thousands, probably millions of fish in this building. A luxury, it's a privilege to be in here. Nick brought us in here. He's shopping for his fish store, and then I'm obviously getting fish for my aquarium.
You gotta write down what you pick, so that there's an item code, write what it is, and then write the quantity.
He's giving me the keys to the kingdom. We can pick out any fish, as many as we want, and all we gotta do is just write it down. It sounds too good to be true. They got pretty much every fish you'd want. Rainbow sharks, pretty cool. Maybe we could get some of those. Right here, there's some really cool rainbow fish, so we're gonna get some of these. Dude, this one's already dying on me.
No, it's not.
He was acting a fool. He was like acting really weird. In honor of Heiko Blair, I gotta get some Hemigramis blairies. These are the rummy nose tetras. These are like really pretty, look at them. They got red rummy nose heads, and then they got these like really cool checkered tails. So I'd say we're gonna get like 5 to 10 of these. Cardinal tetras are just kind of like a classic freshwater fish, and I think they're one of the most popular fish, and it's because they're so beautiful. Wow, those are beautiful. These are neon tetras, and we're gonna get like 5 to 10 neon tetras. I think when we put like tons and tons of small fish together, it'll make my scape look really big. So we're gonna get a lot of fish, but I want them all to be pretty small. Right here, we got these really cool red tetras. All right, so I'm gonna get like 5 of these. All right, so I'm gonna get like 5 to 10 of these. These are Galaxy Rasboras, really cool, really pretty fish. Whoa. Against the net, you can see these fish are super cool. Those are gonna look so good under like aquarium lighting. Yeah, I wanna get at least like 5 to 10 guppies. There's so many. We just gotta make sure we get some cool ones. What should we get? Dude, there's so many guppies. Oh, yeah. Okay, we gotta get some of those. These are Cobra red guppies. This fish is insane. We gotta get like 5 of these. These are super, super colorful. All right, so these are koi guppies. From the top down, they look like koi, but they're guppies. I have to get these. I love these. All right, we got 5 of the Miracle red koi guppies. They're really cool. These are laser beam guppies. We're gonna get 5 of these. These are like pink and yellow. These are super pretty. Get 5 of these. Look at this. They're little dwarf rainbow fish. These are super cool. I think these are gonna shimmer like crazy. Look at these. Look how pretty they are. See the yellow tails? These are really cool. I'm gonna get 5 of these. Okay, we're gonna get some of these red rainbow fish. We're gonna get 2 of these, and let's get 2 of a different kind. These are the rosy neon barbs. I saw these at Johnny's store in Columbia, and I wanted them, so I'm gonna get them right now. Look at them. I know how common they are, but I just think they're the coolest, so I'm gonna get these. Look at these, dude. They're so cool. They're like golden. Look at how beautiful those are. These are albino rainbow sharks. Let's get a couple of these. All right, so we're getting 5 of these cherry barbs. You see these? Look how pretty these are. Whoa. Okay. Any of the fish that you saw in here, you can actually buy from Nick's store. It's Gingerbread Tropical Fish and Coral. I'll put the link in the description down below. So we picked out all of our fish. I think they're all gonna get along fine. They're all really peaceful. They're all small nano fish. Now we're gonna head home and put them in the tank. Nick's got 5 boxes of fish. 1, 2, 3. So these are my fish. A whole box of fish. How many fish we got? These are all our fish. All right. We have arrived home. All right. So we got all of our fish in here. I think we did a really good job. We got some beautiful, beautiful fish. Lots of different colors. Melly's checking out the new fish. What do you think, Melly? I know it looks like a lot of fish, but it's really not that many different species. Maybe like 4 or 5 different species. 3 of these bags are guppies. 3 or 4 of these bags are like different tetras. A few of these bags are different barbs. But these fish are like really, really tiny. Usually you want to keep the amount of fish in a tank to about 1 inch of fish per gallon.
These are really tiny.
Mom, you're gonna see there are so many of them. We obviously have a 100-gallon tank, plenty of room for them, just tons of little crevices, plenty of hiding spots and little areas for the fish to hide and hang in different schools here.
So before we put the fish in, it's time for acclimation.
Acclimation. Acclimation. Acclimation.
All right, so the process of acclimation is just basically making sure that the water in the bags matches the water in the tank. After about 15 minutes, then we are going to start adding some water from the aquarium in, finish acclimating them, and get them in this aquarium. We got so many bags of fish, the water is starting to fill up. The gold barbs. Oh gosh, this water is about to overflow. Uh-oh. I'm so excited to release some of these fish. They are looking so good. These are the yellow guppies. These are the galaxy rasboras, but look at them, they're so tiny. They're only about like maybe an inch, maybe a little less than an inch. Mom, look at these. These are the koi ones because they have like red and white koi colors.
Those are very cool. Somebody is very
Whoa,
excited.
Melly.
What do you feed these bad boys?
Interns who don't edit well.
Yeah. I mean, hey, I don't blame you.
All right, we got our intern, Owen, helping acclimate the fish. Don't mess this up.
I know.
This is like your very first task.
Do I twist it back up?
You don't really twist it back up because the fish need oxygen. We're gonna open this bag up, get these fish some air so they can breathe. Breathe, little fishies. Breathe. All right, so we're gonna take 1 cup of the aquarium water and we're gonna put it into the bag. If you just took all these fish and you threw them straight into the aquarium, they just all go into shock. We're gonna let this sit for like another 10 minutes. We're just adjusting.
First time acclimating fish.
All right, it's time to put the fish in. The fish are done acclimating. It is time to put them in. All right, so let's put the cardinal tetras in. Here they go.
Wow, okay. All right, so these are the koi guppies. Really excited about these.
Whoa, those are so cool. Those are really colorful because they actually are koi colored.
You can see they're already starting to school. All these like, little cardinal tetras at the bottom. We got the rainbow fish. These are like the biggest fish that we got. Put those in there. We got the blue rainbow fish. We got the red rainbow fish. See if those guys start swimming together.
All right, these are the ones I'm probably most excited about. These are the galaxy rasboras. I don't want these guys to go out of water, so I'm gonna let these guys actually just swim out. These fish are just a little bit more sensitive. I'm gonna allow these guys to sneak out of here. Here go the rasboras.
The glow light tetras.
How do those look? 10 of the neon tetras because they're so tiny. Look at them, they're so tiny. 10 of them because they're literally like half an inch each.
So if these grow up and they get too big and I have too many fish in the aquarium, I can always take them back to Nick. Here are the neons. This is gonna be really cool. Ready? Whoa! Go little babies, go little babies. Look at that. The neons and the cardinals and the glow light tetras, they're all swimming together. They went right into the group.
Kind of adorable. So these are the laser beam guppies. These are the yellow guppies. You ready to meet your new friends? Be free, be free. Wow, look at that. All the guppies are swimming together. They're so pretty. Look at the tank. It already looks so cool. They're so colorful. We still have a couple more fish to put in. All right, let's put our hemigrammus blairy in there. So we got 5 hemigrammus blairy. Here they go. And those are really cool. They've got the black and white checkered tails. Another really small fish. These are like a nano freshwater fish. And hopefully those guys color up and get really, really bright. So we can make Heiko Blair proud. Gotta have one of his fish in here.
Wow, look at them. Oh, they're beautiful.
Coming down to some of our final fish. These are the gold barbs. Be free. Wow, I love those. Dude, they're so cool. Look at them. They're like a rose gold. These are the cherry barbs. So super colorful.
Wow, look at how colorful these are. Look at them. Whoa. Look at all these little fish. They're all starting to take their own little territories. Like the blue neons and tetras are starting to like hang down towards the bottom of the sand. You have the gold barbs over here hanging out in this corner. You got the rainbow fish right in the middle. You got all the guppies over there in that left corner. So they're all starting to take their own little, form their own little territories, and they're kind of checking out all the hiding spaces, which is really cool.
Look at that. We got all the fish in there. Wow, that's crazy. It is so cool to see them all swimming. So many different colors. We got yellows, reds, oranges. It's like every color of the rainbow in here. I absolutely love this. They actually came out so good. I'm so happy with the way this came out. It's so cool to see all these different fish coexisting, living, swimming together, swimming through all the plants. I really love how little they are. It just gives so much depth and perspective to the aquarium. I literally will probably spend the rest of the night, probably the entire rest of the week, just sitting here and looking at this tank. It is beautiful. There are so many fish now. But when you look at the tank like through the different angles, it's insane, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. All right, so the tank looks awesome. There are a ton of new fish in here, so I'm gonna be monitoring this very carefully, very closely, making sure that all the fish get along. If any of them start picking on each other, if I see any problems, I have more tanks just over here in the other parts of my basement that I can move the fish into. But I am glad, I am super happy with the choices I made and how this turned out. I think it looks amazing. Comment down below your favorite fish. Do you like the small guppies? Do you like the tetras? Do you like the barbs? I don't know, my favorites might be the barbs. What do you think of the final tank, Mom?
It's gorgeous. What are those?
Those are called rainbow fish.
And these, the blue ones?
Those are blue rainbow fish.
My favorite are the ones that look like baby koi.
Also, the winner of our weekly aquarium giveaway is, hold on, I gotta get my phone out. Ryan Crow from Leesburg, Virginia. Congratulations, Ryan. You are the winner of this 10-gallon all-in-one aquarium. It's got all the filter media, sponges, and return pump. So this thing is ready to go for either freshwater or a saltwater aquarium. Thank you, Ryan, for being subscribed to my channel and also for following my Instagram. We're gonna be doing a weekly aquarium giveaway. So if you wanna have the chance to be entered to win our next aquarium, make sure you go follow my Instagram. It's at coralfish12g. I'll leave the link down in my description below. Tank looks good. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. That does it for this one. We'll see you in the next one, but until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.
Nick, did you see the cardinals? You know where the cardinal tetras are?
Seems like you've been standing on my turf.